5 Surface apps that can pay you real money in 2025 by just answering questions. And yes, they work in Africa. I'll tell you how they operate, their payment method, and how you can go about it. Remember, if you're in Nigeria or any part of Africa, it is very, very important for you to have a side hustle. And sometimes this side hustle can pay more than your full-time job. So if you're looking for an app or platform that you can be making money and be helping yourself in Nigeria or in Africa, this video is for you. And wait, before you complain, these companies are not Africa or Nigerian-based companies. It is a foreign-based company. It is owned by foreigners and they operate in Africa. So watch this video to the end and learn. Before we start, do wait to subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting notified whenever I'm posting video. So the first one is Sakapol. This one is made specifically for Africans. You'll be earning money by answering questions for brands and NGOs. They operate in Ghana, Nigeria, Liberia, and South Africa. Their payment methods include airtime, gift card, and normal bank withdrawal. So the second one is Trealba. This one will be getting paid for surface that matches your profile. They also operate in Nigeria, Ghana, Kenya, and South Africa. And their payment methods include Amazon gift card and PayPal. The fourth one is Surfetime. This one is perfect if you need instant money. Each survey you complete is $1 and they paid it directly to your PayPal. Their payment method include PayPal and gift card, and they all work in all parts of Africa. So the third one is Ysense. This one will give you access to global surveys and even micro tasks. And their payment method include PayPal, Pioneer, and Screw. And they all work in all parts of Africa. Anywhere you are in Africa, you can use this one. So the fifth one is Opinion Reward by Google. This one is a very simple task by Google. It is very, very simple. If you are using an iPhone, you can be getting PayPal cash. If you are using Android phone, you can be getting Play Store reward and you can withdraw it to your bank account. And this one is global. They work in Ghana, Nigeria, South Africa, Liberia, everywhere, all parts of the world. This one is available. If you find this video helpful, do well to like this video and drop your comments. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting notified whenever I'm posting video. And if this is your first time coming across my video on YouTube, my name is Vibe with Church Boy. I share ideas on how to make money with your smartphone in Nigeria and in Africa. I also show you how you can grow and monetize your social media pages so you can start making money. Do well to subscribe to this channel so that you can be getting notified whenever I'm posting video on this channel. And if you need anything, if you want to ask for anything, you can use the comment section. I'm always available to attend to you. Thank you. Peace and love.